Introduce highlight features or overview summary for FEPPO Snow Cone Machine and Smoothie Blender, 2-in-1, Slushie Machine, Shaved Ice Machine. Highlight features or overview summary are include 2-in-1 Snow Cone Machine and Smoothie Blender. Perfect combo for Snow Cone Machine and Smoothie Blender, create shaved ice, cocktails, protein shakes, baby food, and frozen drink in seconds with 22,000 RPM powerful motor plus sharp stainless steel blades, not to touch directly. Ideal for home, kitchen, party, and more places. Heat and affordable. 2-in-1 Snow Cone Machine and Smoothie Blender at home can do it yourself to make a variety of low-calorie shaved ice, smoothies, milkshakes, juices and other frozen drink. Do not need to go out to buy or wait for a takeaway, one machine can make us at home at the same time to enjoy the delicious shaved ice and smoothies. Easy to operate. Tool-free assembly and just need to press operation, quick to get started. Note: don't energize the machine without the lid on. Endless flavor playground. The unique design of FEPPO 2-in-1 Snow Cone Machine makes everyone have more space to indulge their imagination and creativity to realize what they want. Of course, we also provide beautiful recipes with dozens of options for you to choose from. Social entertainment must-haves. Parent-child interaction, make cartoon fruit ice with children, girlfriend's afternoon tea, DIY cocktail smoothies, birthday party, a variety of various drinks to provide. A machine to bring family and friends closer together, make the gathering more interesting. Easy to clean. Snow Cone Machine all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe or rinsed with water, but the host can't immerse in water, and must to prevent liquid from entering the host. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.